This is Miss Dagenhart. I'm going to walk you through how to use our eBooks at Peachland Polkton. The first thing that you're going to need to do is go to our school website. If you have not memorized the website address, all you have to do in the search box is type in PPES. It should take you close to it. You'll select the Peachland Polkton website, click close from the emergency message that you're getting. Scroll down the website. As you look at the blue box on your left, you're going to look for the link that says PPES eBooks. eBooks are books that you can read online at home. You will open up a new page that will give you the link to go straight to the eBooks. Before you click on that link, you will need to have the username and password. The username for us is PPES. The password is Colts, and those are all lowercase. When you click on the link, you may end up getting an error message. I've gotten this a couple of times. If you do that, you just click back and click on it again. At this point, you'll open up to the Peachland Polkton Destiny page. This Destiny page also shows you books that are actually in the library, not books that are ebooks that you can read at home. What you're going to need to do to have access to the ebooks is go up into the top right-hand corner and click Log In. And then you will not use students' I am accounts. You will go over to the Follett account and you will type in that we talked about, PPES, and then your password is Colts, and you'll click Submit. At that point, the page is going to open up for you to have access. You are going to have to scroll down on this page until you get to the eBooks category. Right here is your eBooks category. You'll click See All. And at that point, it is going to open up all of our ebooks, which for Peachland Polkton, we have a little over 200 of those. So if you want to narrow down what you're searching for, you can use these filters on the left-hand side. If students know a particular author that they're interested in, they can click on the links for their last name alphabetically. You can also filter by subject alphabetically. You can filter by genre and accelerated reader, and then all the others that are on here that you more than likely will not use. When you scroll and you find one that you think you might be interested in, for example, this one that says, what do you know about life cycles? If it has a little link symbol in the left-hand corner, it'll tell you right here that it is an unlimited copy. What that means is that any student, any number of students can open up this book at the same time at home on their devices. There are a few ebooks, not very many. Scrolling through to see if I even see one. There's just a few that have limited copies to them. That means like this one, that means that only one student at a time can open up that book. Another student cannot open up that book until that book is closed. If you see one that you like, that you want to open and read, if you look, some of these will tell you whether or not they are accelerated reader, and they'll tell you what reading level they are and how many points they're worth. So let's say you want to open up this book. You click Open. Give it just a minute. and your book will open up for you, and you just click on the arrow on the right hand side to continue opening up the pages. If you hover over the top, there's a few things to look at. For example, there might be an option to have some of the books read aloud. This one does not read aloud to you, but if it is a read aloud, it will have an arrow right here where you'll click play. I will tell you, it's a monotoned voice. It's not an exaggerated, full of life voice. What I suggest is that either the student reads the book, or as the parent, you read the book to them. But you just flip through the pages, and it will show you the book just like having the book in your hand. Actually, I see where actually this one does. I guess you have to open up the book first before it gives you the play option. If it's too small print, I believe that you can click right here in the top right hand corner and you can zoom and get your book closer. When you have finished reading the book, and I'll let you listen to a page being read real quick, you have some audio options here. You can have the book read slower or normal. I would not suggest faster or fastest. It's just, you can't comprehend it. It's too fast. You can click on the different voices. I believe it's a man's voice and a woman's voice. And then at that point, you just close it and you click on the play button.
It all started when I complained about my breakfast porridge again. I said, the next thing it knew vori allowed to door for a walk. Dad. All sock no naspe paper.
You'll notice that the recorded voice is not the best voice, so you may not want to use that. Over in the main menu, it'll let you go to the table of contents. It'll let you look at the cover. Some of them will let you go to specific pages. When you are done reading the book, there is a display option you can use. You can make it fit different ways if you want it to. When you're done listening to the book or you're done reading the book, at that point you can click on the close book and it goes back. And that is the end of the lesson for the eBooks.